Welcome back. My name is Alvina and you're watching Alvina and Alina's channel. So friends, today we are going to learn how to make these amazing visiting cards using graphic designing. So let's start. My desktop, I have opened Corel Draw, and as soon as you open Corel Draw, you get a small message like this. Now you need to click on New Blank Document. So you can change the size of the blank document, the height, the size. Let's give it to 96. Okay. So if there's no message popping out, then you can click on this last option, New Control N. So let's talk about the features, then we will learn how to make visiting card in Corel Draw easy, simple and quick. So right side you can see all the toolbar. The side over here we have our color palette. So friends, there are two types of colors. One is RGB, one is CMYK. RGB means red, green, blue. RGB. So now let's click on rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle. You can change the color of it. And one more last thing, on the bottom you can see page plus 1 of 1. If you click on page 1, this option, another page is on your screen. In Corel Draw there is an option in which you get the exact picture size. So what we have to do is you need to select that picture, click shift on your keyboard and drag it. You see, if we are extending right, left is also getting extended. So this is how it works. You can minimize it, you can play with it. Keep the picture here. Let me change the background, to some chocolate color. If you scroll down, there are many colors you can see. The bright colors are in front of your palette, but if you scroll down you will see many colors, but they are not as attractive as these colors. I am going to copy paste it. I have one rectangle, another is here. So now I'll just drag it up, make it small using shift. So now let's just make a small border kind of. Perfect. Friends, you must have seen in some of the visiting cards the edges are curved. We can do that in Corel Draw. There is another separate option for that. You need to click on the second tool, shape tool, in your tool bar section. Select the in which you want to curve it. Now click, you will see some points on the edges. You can click on it and drag it. There's a curve, but I just want the top two to be curved and rest to be not to be curved. So what I'll do is I'll click on this, I'll hold shift and I'll drag it. So both of them are curved in exact position. So I'll change the color of these. a logo, the name of the brand, and phone number, website, etc. So what I'm gonna do is minimize it, keep it aside. Now you can see a letter text to it. Just click on it, drag, change the size of the text. Since we are writing the name of the company, it should be in big letters, so I'm taking 48. Olive Chocolate Factory. OLIVE. Chocolate FACTORY Factory. Just right click on the text, the top top option, click on that. The borders are removed. Now I can stretch and make it so down. Now all we need to add in this is some amazing chocolate pictures. Copy in Corel, paste. Okay. Now double click on it, the picture. You will see some arrows. Click on one of the arrow and turn it. You can add more pictures to make it more colorful. Okay, that's all. My visiting card is done. So friends, if you want to save your work in Corel Draw, then you need to click on Ctrl E on your keyboard. Then you need to name your file and click on Save. That's all friends. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Bye. See you in next video.